Hey everybody, this is Neil's Nomenclature, and today we're going to do a super speedy demonstration of how to set up views in your Drupal site. And for this example, I'm just going to be building off my own. So if we first want to set up a view, which is just an easier way to structure all of your information, I would first go to Structure. I'd go to the Views tab, and then for this demonstration, I'm going to be creating the Faculty tab, so I'll delete that. And then I'm going to go to Add View here, and then I'm going to name it Faculty. View setting, so it's going to be Content. I want all of my content type to be faculty. I'm going to create the page, name it faculty, path faculty, sure. Display format, so I'm going to be using a table just because it looks nicer for what we're doing. 10 items is fine. Yep, use a page. Create a menu link, so I'm going to want to put this like as one of the tabs at the top of my page so users can click on it. And then I'm also going to include an RSS feed, which just gives us an XML file so that we can translate later to JSON, which makes it easier to edit all our information. So if I wanted to, so here is our table. If we wanted to change all the information in our table or add fields to our table, we just go here. And since we're in faculty, I can look here and just see appears in faculty, sure, courses, course number, sure, description, yep, or we're not doing courses, what am I doing? There we go. Okay, so name appears in faculty, PSU ID. We're just going to use those three for now. And then I'm going to hit apply all displays. You can change the way they look and style it even through CSS, but we won't get into that today. So now you can see that my table is set up very neatly. It's displaying all the information and all the information within my faculty members. So now if I save this and then go to view page, now I have this little faculty tab because I added it to the menu and it's displayed all pretty. Now, this is doing it through the Drupal interface. If you wanted to make Drupal a backend and use a front end to modify, make, and style your website, because this isn't the prettiest thing, you could go to Extend, and then down at the bottom, since I'm using Drupal 9, I won't be using my own website for this, but if you're using Drupal 8, you'll have an option to download something called Core, Core's Drupal, and it's just an API or it's not even an API. It's just a handshake application that allows your site to be accessed by other sites. And so it's kind of like a defense mechanism, but I won't be using it. But what you will do is going to be, you're going to select all of your web services just so all your information can be read in different formats. So I already did that here, and I'll show you how it is displayed through something like Vue.js. So as you can see, we have our view right here. And this is my professor's website. He's using Drupal 8, and he already brought in his site. So you can see up here that this is his site right here. So that's his main domain. So I'll put that there. And then I'm also going to take this. So this is going to be just the pointer. So you can see it's a bunch of XML. I do have a JSON formatter, but it's just not working right now. This can all be translated into JSON and modified. So for instance, let's go to, so here we have the image. If I wanted to go to where this image is stored, oh, no, oh wait, yeah, I did that wrong. If I wanted to go to where the image is stored, and then just delete this because I see images. Ah, now we can see a bunch of images. So if I wanted to change it to this cat, I would simply just take the URL, and then I just paste it right in there. So now the website should be updating with cats as the headers or the header picture. And if we wanted to, we can go and see within the console where our information is coming from. So he is importing his website to a specific JSON API page. So this is his courses page. And if we go over here, we can see, well, it looks all funky now, but there's a bunch of this is all being imported from his site, and then all the information on here is being displayed in a nicer way. So that's just another way to modify your